Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Scan and QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amabenza TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Lupopo 1. I'm joined by Bafenda.
Tollgate A5 is Tibo.
Yeah.
Kupawana just score. You must make noise.
Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Lupopo 1.
Bafenda, Tollgate A5.
Bafenda, Tollgate A5.
Tibo, I think we need a commission of inquiry.
Why?
Because I really don't understand what's going on. Because when we play locally,
Yeah.
it's like we are giving the champions team a chance
Yes.
to push.
Yes.
But when we come to the big fish, a wise man once said,
Yeah.
we know where the big fish is at,
Yes.
and we are going to fetch
We
it.
destroy it.
We are going to fetch the big fish in Egypt.
Kankan.
Kankani.
Kankan.
Ahuna zwine zwo ḓo itea.
Yeah.
Ndi yashu heyi season.
Bulabula wana mane.
Ri khou dzhia champion. Sibo a thi khou vulavula ndi khou amba.
Bulabula wana mane.
Sibo ndi khou amba.
Amba mwana mane.
Sibo, man of the match.
Imane.
Alende. Sibo.
Ferrara Rocher.
Sibo ke patala Tollgate A5 ke ya Venda.
Yeah.
Mare ke ya ko Alende ko Chile.
Yeah.
Ke tsa 10.
10 Tollgate. Thank you, Batman. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?